I've been getting questions about an individual that entered Canada and has been arrested in charges related to an attempt to cross the border for a terrorist plot. I can confirm that Mohammed Khan is a Pakistani national who entered Canada on May, or was issued a visa in May of 2023, and was given and entered Canada on the 24th of June of the same year, so 2023. This is all that I'll be commenting on this individual. Obviously, there are criminal charges pending. As politicians, as elected officials, in order to make sure the judicial process is not compromised, although we share the goals of the prosecutors in question, it's very important that we don't comment, and actually it's dangerous to comment any further. Any defense lawyer is looking at elected officials and their comments about this case, salivating at any comment that is made that could be seen as compromising the judicial process. This is something that any responsible politician needs to be aware of. It's highly careless of Pierre Poilievre and his team to be firing their mouths off again. Any defense attorney is looking at that and just chomping at the bit to be able to make that part of their process and perhaps even compromise the case. Mr. Poilievre has experienced prosecutors on his team. They should be counseling him to shut his mouth like any responsible politician in this case. Well, first and foremost, this was a successful operation, and any security operation in a country like Canada is multifaceted, whether it's at the border or when it's in Canada and we have our police services that are acting responsibly and arresting these people as they gather the evidence. Catherine, Secretary Garland, Merrick Garland, contacted the Minister of Public Safety to congratulate our security forces for apprehending these individuals. I think our American partner would be highly disappointed to see elected officials firing their mouths off about and speculating about this case and its outcome. We owe it to Canadians to keep them safe, to actually let the process unfold. And again, as we share the objectives and the goals of the prosecution, we actually owe it to Canadians to be quiet about the facts and not speculate and let the court case run its course. We take any security breach and any entry into Canada very seriously, and there is a multifaceted way of being able to apprehend these individuals. Let's not be naive. A determined individual can gain access to this country, and then it's for the security services inside our country to apprehend this person if they commit a crime or if they're about to commit a crime, and that's exactly what happened. Our police forces did their jobs and arrested the individual, and we'll let the court case take its course. He was on a student visa. Yeah, he was granted a student visa in May of 2023, and he entered at Pearson Airport June 24th of 2023 that year.
Does that spark some particular concern about how student visas are granted?
I'm not going to speculate on the various original ways that people have ill intentions towards Canada come into this country, or whether they were developed while people were here. Again, that's speculation. But we're always concerned about how people obtain their visas, particularly if it's through fraudulent means. I've taken a number of steps throughout the summer to turn the screws a bit on that process. But again, this is a criminal case. It's ongoing, and it's careless to speculate further.